Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? It's been a long time. I missed you. I'm gonna give you guys a second to come on in. Come hang out. Say what's up. Man, I just got back from Futurist Conference in Toronto. That shit was crazy. Man, that was a good time. Let me tweet to the world that we're live. Live now. Twitch.tv. Bagsy TV. Boom. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Yo, Bitcoin, brutal fucking drop since I last checked this. That's some nice volume though on the rebuy. However, yes, I'll give you guys a few minutes to come in. This sell-off was really brutal, actually. We haven't had a sell-off this strong since June, if I'm not mistaken. Crazy stuff. Crazy. Let me get this notepad going. Notepad. Delete this. Boom. Boom. Alright, UST. Yo, what up, John CC, brother? How you doing, man? How are you, sir? One cost BLT. How's the market been treating you? Yo, what's up, Camus Crypto? Plus token sell? Yeah, Tommy, I don't know. I could check plus Tommy, the plus token, but I don't offer financial advice, brother. But we can look at the chart together and maybe you can come up with your own conclusion on that one. Matic, RSR, MTC. We got a whole list to get through, so this is going to be a good episode. Link, SFT, SFX, SafeX, I guess. Bet. Link, bat. ARC. Ren's already there. Dusk, Daps, OLT. Yo, what's up, Rankle? Yo, what's up, Porky? Thanks, man. I figured I should up the ante on my profile pic, make it nice and sexy. Yo, what's up, Dead Rabbits? How you doing, brother? I missed you. I missed you all. I haven't taken any type of break from streaming since we started a month and a half ago, so it was kind of weird not being in front of my PC looking at charts. I was in Toronto for the Futurist Conference, and I met up with everyone, like, you know, Z, Nye, fucking a whole bunch of teams, you know, Crypto Finally, Miss Natoshi, Crypto Fungus, Messiah. Yo, Messiah is the man. Fucking the man. And the Real Hero team, I met Dan also. Fucking great guy. Seriously. Like, I'm impressed with the quality of individuals that I've met in this space. You guys seriously have to make it out to some conferences. 100%. And Jaw Creamer, thank you for the follow, sir. But yeah, make it out to these conferences if you guys want to, you know, contribute something to the space, grow. If you're just here for altcoins, obviously, then you know it's not really worth it. But if you're looking to connect with like-minded people, definitely do that. You're playing some hero, nice. Samuel XRP, yeah, XRP had. There's something interesting on XRP I want to look at. Algo. Yo, what's up, Jackson? How you doing, bro? Porky, you did meet up with me, old bro. Yeah, time. You didn't meet up with me. I'm enjoying the planty background. Thank you, sir. What's the tool on the bottom right? The tool on the bottom right. And do you mean this? Trader 1MT. Yo, what's up, girls in BTC? How you doing? I hope you're having a fine day. I hope your manicure and pedicures go great. Alright. Let me... Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Must have misclicked. Boy. Alright. Yeah, so I met this whole crew of people. Fucking the Pluton group. These guys held the dopest after party. It was all you can drink. It was on
Hey you, welcome to Bags of TV.
on a pool. A lot of fun. Thank you for the follow, XDef. Definitely appreciated. And yeah, so guys, go to conferences. Excited to watch him. Size awesome. He and I recently connected. Great dude. Yeah, seriously, man. I wasn't surprised that he was a good dude, but I was genuinely surprised at the quality of how good a dude he is. So I definitely look forward to meeting up with him in the future if the opportunity comes up. Oh man, that show BTC price. Show BTC price. Show BTC. I don't know, bro. Yeah, send me Trader 1MT. Just take a screenshot and DM me what your question is, because I don't get what you're saying. All you can drink at Cabanas? I'm jealous. Yeah. So, dude, it was so much fun, and we hung out with the Polymath. Like the Polymath CEO had this penthouse party. It was really cool. So we went there for 2 nights. I met Brock Pierce, really nice dude. Anyways, the list goes on. But seriously, Nye and Nico's were the 2 dudes I spent the most time with, and they definitely hooked it up. So I appreciate you guys very much. You got me in all the cool kid parties, so that was great. And yeah, let's finish this list so we can actually get to work, because I know you guys don't really give a fuck about my life. So, all right, let's finish this. What were we at? Algo. Did I put RSR? Yeah. All right, 1 second. You guys know I'm shit at multitasking, so please bear with me. Bear with me, my fam. Ocean, Cardano. That's funny. Tron. Okay, and guys, you guys are gonna get to see my first impression, because I have not looked at more than 3 charts over this entire week. So this is gonna be a fresh perspective. I have no idea what's happened apart from Bitcoin. As you guys know, I haven't been taking any active trades over the last few weeks, so why stress about it while I'm traveling? You know, who gives a fuck? The market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. As long as you're properly hedged, it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Slow bleed to 7K by end of year. I don't know. Yo, what's up, AE Davis? How you doing? Yo, what's up, Tiger Call? Yeah. Okay. So that's the list. Actually, let me check my Discord. Matt. Yeah, which one of you guys caught the live stream that Nico's did last night when we were driving to one of the parties? Did you guys catch that? Yeah, my dick. So yeah, that's pretty much altcoins. This. Cool. Alright, let's get to work, ladies and gentlemen. Let us get to work. Costs. Wow. Okay, cost looks really good. really good. Um, Two obvious resistances will be this here, and I would even put it at this level. So this is going to be labeled as R2. This one, I don't even remember how to chart anymore. I'm looking for buttons, scrambling. So I think we'll either see like a wick into here, rejection, or a wick up here, maybe some continuation. So I would definitely, if it were up to me, I'd be taking some profit here and here, and then see how it interacts. If we actually get a 4-hour close above 450, so anything above this level, then we could definitely see some. Wow, that's fucking high up. I'm looking at the listing price here. This is good. I think this is gonna keep going. However, I'd still recommend TPing at R1, R2, whatever. And in case you guys didn't read the thousands of disclaimers, this is not financial advice. This is just opinion, okay? Okay. Yeah, comment 1 is in there. He was busting my balls about footwear. Yeah, Z's a fucking... Don't get me started on him.
Yeah, hey you. Welcome to
I'm gonna have to up my shoe game next time I see him. Then he won't be able to talk shit. I think he's just jealous that he couldn't pick up girls. Yo, what's up, Noctum? It's a cool name. Thanks for following, my friend. So yeah, cost looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. TP 391, 391, 444. And TP means take profit, for those of you who don't know what I mean.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Boom. What is Bloom? I've never heard of this. Yo, Realtor Michael B. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Welcome to Bagsy TV, the best stream in the land. Alright, let's go on the weekly. This seems to be an older coin. Honestly, I'd probably get out of this one if you haven't already. It's not looking too hot. If the weekly closes beneath 500 or 499, good luck. Good luck. Let's go on lower time frames. Maybe we can find some saving grace for it, but I love bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but this coin does not look good, so I'd throw that BLT away. Get out. Get out. Get out. Yo, what's up, Luho? How you been, man? You're starting Forex on Monday. Excited as fuck. Good for you, brother. Prediction: top of market again by end of year or first quarter next year. Interesting, Davis. I like your style. I would not be against that. Needs more chest hair. Yeah, what's up, Alex? How you doing, brother? I'm gonna try to grow it out. It's just like before I went to Futurist, Nico's asked me to shave it because he's like, Bagsy, I'm already intimidated by your broad shoulders, your deep voice, and I don't know if I'll be able to handle being next to you, so I'm gonna need you to dumb down the manliness. So I'm like, okay, dude, what if I shave my chest hair? Would that make you feel better? And he's like, yeah, man. I'm like, okay, I'll do that for you. Those Grin shoes are lit. Yeah, Miss Natoshi, that was her booth, actually. I got to meet her in the flesh. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, this is Miss Natoshi. So she runs this this shoe game / shoe booth. It's pretty dope stuff. Those were the Grin shoes I was looking at. So yeah, I like businesses who are doing stuff and who are selling products and good products. So check her out. And that's not an endorsed message. I just like her shoes. Okay. So yeah, let's go to Plus. I'm gonna bet my ass that Plus is not. Oh wow, okay. Hit BTC. Practically not listed anywhere. Yo, what's up, Pity? Tomo, sure. Let's add it to the list. Let us add it to the list. Because I like Tomo. Someone calls CZ to get Grin listed on Binance. Yeah, dude, CZ, like I talk to him at least once a week, and I've been trying to get him to list grin, and he's like,
Hey you,
Bagsy,
welcome to
I
Bagsy
can't do
TV.
it. Inflation too high. I'm like, man, come on, you're gonna make my community happy. Yo, what's up, Pekaski? Welcome to Bagsy TV, the best fucking show in the land. But I'm kidding. I don't talk to CZ. He doesn't answer my calls. I've been leaving voicemails every week. Love confessions, and he just won't have it. I don't know how to get to him. Could I add Anchor to the list? I think it's already there. It's Anchor's here. FTX is on TradingView. Love it. Yo, FTX took a fucking dumperino. Let us see.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Let us see. FTT. The FTT won't let me be, or let me be me. Thank you, Auntie, for the follow. Alright, FTT. Yo, $1.23. What a bitch. That was a nice little fake out right here, too. You can see there was some support. It looked like it was recovering, and then fucking dump. I guess that's because BTC took a shit. So right now for FTT, I mean, the next logical, I'd want to see a big volume buyback. If not, I'd be looking at $1.03. That's where probably all the supply is at, where all the money's waiting. So I'd bet on $1.03. FTT isn't even on the list, but fuck it. I like what they're doing as a project. I like their exchange. I haven't fucked with it much. Yo, what's up, DeCopper2? Welcome to Bagsy TV. Thank you for following. So yeah, Plus. Did I even analyze Plus? I remember I just looked at it and I'm like, fuck this. Yeah, Plus is bad, guys. Plus is bad. Does it even have volume? Nah, bro. Get out. Like, it might have like a scam pump or some shit. Maybe like it'll. I don't even want to say it, but it'll probably have one scam pump, and I'd get out on that. These will be resistance areas to look at, those horizontals. So like 32, but I don't think it's gonna do a 6x. I'd be content at a 2x or whatever. But I'd probably sell, if it were me, I'd sell half, depending on my position size, and I'd try to catch a scam wick to get out. So like just like a random pump and dump, like we saw here, something like that, and then just forget about this coin forever. My father has the pickup line, nice shoes, wanna fuck. She has some nice shoes. CCX. Mr. Dylan on the YouTube side. No problem. CCX. Yeah, markets are always roller coasters, man. Always. XRP USD randomly pumping 20%. Why not? I really like Sam, even though he didn't give me a job. That's funny. That is funny, sir. Alright, Matic. Oh, okay. Yeah, it did something I didn't think it was going to do. It actually managed to make support. So R1 is no longer resistance. It is now support. Do I trust it? No. Like if Matic is bullish, I think we'll target 222 on the next impulse move up. So something like that, and then whatever dump. It's possible we dip once more into this, create support, and then move up. So if you guys are placing your stop here, you're at like 134, you're probably gonna get fucked. That's where I'd place my bids if I was bullish, actually. Maybe even a bit lower, like 127, 130. I would trust that they want to liquidate all the stops before moving up. So that's what I do. Personally, I mean, it's bullish, but the momentum is kind of fucking stagnating. So would I want to long this? Not really. I think cost looks a lot better. Oh shit, I skipped a whole bunch of them. Matic, 50-50. Bullish target is 222. What's UST? UST. 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 Oh, it's only a USD pairing. Interesting. Just hold the corn. Yo, what's up, Mount Doji? How you doing? How you doing? You're in purgatory waiting for Nvidia earnings. Yo, what's up, DT? Yo, I'm happy you guys are all here to hang out. Fucking dope. How was the conference? Yeah, you're late, man. I gave the entire rundown of the Futurist conference, but to summarize, it was insane. It was great. I have no sleep. I'm really tired. Really tired. But it was well worth it. And if you want to find out about it, you can listen to the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes of this Twitch stream once I'm done. And yeah. Yo, what's up, Lord Poirier? BSV. That I'm actually interested in BSV. Not in buying it, but I'm interested in what's happened to it because I have not looked at it in a while. UST, USD. I honestly don't. I have no clue what this project does. I think it's good. I think we'll see if we can break $1.0023. I think we'll probably eventually wick into this area. Maybe like here, and that would be what? That would be like a 1% move. Like this shit, it has been in a range, so I think this is actually a stable coin, to be completely honest. So I don't even know why I'm charting this. So fuck the guy who asked that. Or a girl. Don't want to discriminate. Maker. Maker. Last time I looked at Maker, I was using a different font for my chart. That's how long it's been. Maker looks like hot ass. It's bad. We might probably we'll probably get it. Ooh. Actually, this volume's interesting to me. 1 second. 1 second. Let's see what happened here. Is this capitulation? Okay, so these are my thoughts. If you actually manage to buy the bottom here, I'd probably shave off half at 49. And I'd set a stop loss at entry for the other 50% because this volume's interesting. The CCI is also showing accumulation on the 12-hour, so I'd be cool long. I think this is gonna at least go into that 496 level, this first resistance area, maybe all the way to 5.2. I look at that level and this level as take profits. And personally, if this was actually some serious buyback, price shouldn't retrace all the way back here, so I'd probably set a stop for the other 50% of my position, and I'd wait to see what happened, and I would wait to see what would happen. Yeah, Sine, that was. Can I look at energy? Ban him. I don't know who asked it. I forget. Maker's so strange. Almost no volume. Yo, what's up, Moki? Aeon is having some volume spikes too. Would be interesting to know your opinion. Yeah, sure. Energy, and Aeon. Cool. So Maker, TP 0.049, 67, 0.052, 045. Bullish. Oh, short term bullish. Long term, I mean, it's in a fucking downtrend and it looks horrible. So I'm not bullish, but I think it'll have a bounce here to these two areas. So don't get confused. One. Okay. And mind you, everyone, I haven't looked at these charts in a long time, so all these support resistance areas are just what I left from before, so it's interesting to see how they're going to play out. So if we're able, I always leave these random squiggly lines everywhere. If we're able to hold this green zone as support, I I personally, I'd like to see a reclaim of this area. So this like 108. If we can get above 108, then I think we could probably target the 140. I'd probably take some profit at 126. I wouldn't be surprised to see like awaken to it, then rejection, then consolidation, then an up move. So, in these conditions, 5 to 10% is, unless you have the right coin, then that's something else. CCX, no volume, but good coin. That's the thing, Pity. I mean, I don't know what CCX, I think that's Conceal. I forget their network, Conceal Network. There's no volume, man. Like, don't fool yourself. Seriously, like, don't fool yourself. Let's go on the 4 hour. Actually, on the 4 hour, it's kind of losing momentum here. On second thought, I don't know if we're gonna hold this. That's why I would set a stop probably like at 92 or something for a percentage of it, maybe a tighter one for another percentage. Because right now the CCI is crossing bearish on the 4 hour, 12 hour is showing decreasing strength. So it's kind of like impulse, bounce, weaker bounce, and then break. So if we break this area to the downside, GG. So actually, I'm bearish. Bearish needs hold green box. RSR, my baby, how you been? How you been? Hey, yeah, shit, I love you, RSR, my friend. My friend, you can see there was some indecision here. I'm bullish on RSR. We successfully made a higher low, confirmed here. So and the CCI is crossing green. The momentum isn't super strong yet. What I don't like is we have multiple bearish divergences here. So we have been able to close 29. So if you're looking to get into position, I would probably wait for a break above 29. We'll probably see some rejection at 31 sats. If we can break 31, then 38 would be the next target. But this is a range that we've been chilling in since like June. So I'm undecided, to be honest. I'm undecided. And so are the buyers and sellers. You can just see everyone's fucking around over here. So if I had to take a position, I'd probably set some bids at 26, 25, 24, and I'd aim for R1, R2. So I'm cautiously bullish here.
Hey you, welcome to Bags of TV.
Oh, is that a new subscriber? Follower we have? Yo, Fact Dog is. thanks for the follow. You guys have some fucked up names, some of you. Docademic, yo, the McAfee coin of the century. I think Docademic is that one. Yo, what's up, BTC Biff? Hey Bagsy, appreciate what you do. One of the best in the space. Yo, you're gonna make me cry. BTC is breaking up. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin. Breaking up. Yeah. So like, there was a serious sell-off, but clearly there was some interest at this level. I think we're actually gonna move up to 10.6 from here. And if I had to guess, I'd say we're gonna move up to 10.635, and then we'll see how that level interacts on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's that. MTC, hot garbage, get the fuck out. Ren. Look at that. Time to collect them cloud points. Alright, 1 second. I actually gotta make a post. I actually have to collect some cloud points on this one. 1 second. You guys are gonna have to bear with me. I haven't been able to do any of this all week. So yeah, price actually dipped into liquidity, the POC. That was an easy level to look at. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you would have known that already. 22. All right, let's collect them cloud points. 1 second. If you guys have any basic questions while I'm doing this shit, feel free to ask me, and I'll do my best to answer. Sorry, yeah, no, yeah, man. Do not succumb to the fall. And yeah, of course, RSR and USD looks better. Every pair in USD looks better. Latest. Yo. All right, here. Ran update. Boom, plus 16%. Plus 16. Now whatever, fuck. Tag. Top level. Plus 16%. Bam. What's the target? Let's see if we can reclaim white box from here. Alright. Here as support. Okay. That's that. Hey Bags, you wanna have sex? Sure, as long as you have a condom, bro. I'm not doing raw dog anymore. Yeah, I'm happy you made money, Dead Rabbits. What does POC mean? Samuel, well, if you want, I made a YouTube video about the VPVR. But long story short, the POC is this yellow dotted line, and it's part of this tool called the VPVR. It's a paid indicator on TradingView, so if you don't have a paid account, you can't do it. However, VPVR allows you to visually see liquidity or volume traded on a horizontal level. So we're used to seeing volume vertically in candles. So like this hour had X volume, next hour had less, more. This allows you to see it on a horizontal basis. So price tends to retrace to liquidity, meaning that price tends to retrace to where bids and asks have been traded over a long period of time. So at this 9/11 level, there was the highest volume traded, buying and selling, this level. So typically, price will tend to come back to it at some point. That's why I was looking at this level, and even a bit deeper. If you guys caught my stream last time, I said that price would come back to the POC and probably a bit deeper, which it did. And the reason for this is that people sometimes put their stop loss beneath the POC. And you don't need to use a VPVR tool. Like, you could have simply found a horizontal level and achieve that same result. However, I find the VPVR tool is an added bonus, and it allows you to sometimes see resistances and supports that you might not have spotted otherwise. That's my thing. Okay. Ren. Okay, so now my actual analysis, now that we've collected those clout points. I'm still bearish until we can reclaim this white box as support. I want to see us break back above the former high. I want to get a close above 1106. That would be sexy. For now, it's just a dead cat bounce. Until we reclaim that, I still think we could keep going down. You know, the buyback was nice here, but I'm not impressed yet. It takes a lot to impress Bagsy, okay? So, yeah. Needs reclaim 1.1k as support. Cool? Cool. SFT, SafeX. Shit, yeah, that's okay, if I had to be honest, guys, like, last time we had an accumulation range of a year, okay? A year. Are y'all ready to wait for another year? I would personally, I'd get out. And it's not to say it's gonna do the same thing as last time, right? But you have to be proactive with your money. SFX, SafeX Cash. What the fuck is this? What? I don't even know how to chart this, to be honest. Like the 50k level is a clear resistance. Yeah, sorry. This is I don't know, bruh. Sorry. Sometimes the chart just looks too weird and it doesn't have enough price action, doesn't have enough history, so it makes it hard to, get a good picture. So yeah, this level before, let me zoom in. Or the other day I wrote POC, so same idea on Link actually, and it's actually, no, that actually doesn't look bad. I'm gonna stop saying actually. I gotta use some better vocabularies. So yeah, 23.2k. If it seems to be closing above it, so that's nice. I'm cautiously bullish on Link. Okay, cautiously. The reason why I say cautiously is because I think we could still retrace to 21.7, but the CCI is looking good on the 12-hour. It's looking good on the 4-hour. So yeah, and we're above the POC, so that's not going to be resistance anymore. Cautiously bullish. Your voice sounds different. Are you sick? Yeah, a bit. I'm also really tired, and I probably screamed a bit too much. Or this is a stunt double, and I'm no longer me. It's good to see you, Olgusa. Is your name Olgusa or like Olga? I feel you're like an Olga, but like a pretty Olga. When I was in elementary, my first kiss was a girl named Olga. She was hot. I think I was like 7 years old. Did some tongue. It was great. Check Marival bags the Argentina stock market. Yeah, no. I'm good. Too much drinking, eh? Yeah, like I don't drink. I don't drink very much, typically. But obviously, when you go to conferences, it's a social thing, and it's the thing to do. So, plus, if it's free, I mean, I'm not gonna say no to that. But stay away from alcohol, kids. It's not gonna do you any good in the long run. It's fun from time to time, obviously, but it's really shit for your body, your mind, your soul. So yeah, that's my little. Yo, first of all, shout out to all 44 of you on the Twitch side. Shout out to everyone on the Periscope side. Let's see how many of you guys are on the Periscope stream. 32 on Periscope. What's up? We have a whole bunch on the YouTube side. I don't know how many, but thank you, first of all, for tuning in, for hanging out. We have some more shitcoins to go through, so we're not done. Just felt like giving my thank yous to everyone. I bet Bat looks horrible just from. Yep, it looks bad. It looks bad. Shit, we lost this as support. This was a nice play. This was a nice bounce. It was a good 40% or so. But as soon as we lost this to the downside, I truthfully feel like if. Okay. I'm not speaking very well. We need to hold this. 16, 11, whatever. If I were in Bat right now, if I managed to catch this, I'd put a stop loss beneath this level, 16, 11, maybe like 15.95, and I'd set some take profit, probably at 20.56. For like 50%, because I think we could see a wick up and then all the way down to 1k. I really think that. So far, I have no reason to think otherwise. The volume The strength, the downtrend is still there. Um, I think we're gonna see a bounce, but I'm afraid we're gonna see some further downside. So that's how I'd play it. If we can reclaim white box as support, however, if it were to do something like this, then we're in business. But until white box is reclaimed, I'm bearish. So bounce, overall bearish, 1K target. ERD. He's he's talking different because he got pussy at the meetup. He's even walking different. Big dick swinging. Yo, t'es fucking drôle, toi. Show us your message. Yo, what's up, Tunes? Yo, bro, how you doing, man? How you doing? I missed you. You should have come to Futurist, dude. Fucking Nikos and Nye were destroying my outfits, man. I needed you to kind of take some of the heat away. But yeah, man, we missed you. I hope you're doing well. ERD looks good, actually. And the reason why I say it looks good, it has a nice little rounding pattern here. The CCI is clearly showing signs that it's losing. It's gaining a bit of bullish momentum, and the overall trend is still bearish, however. But if we can hold 21 as support, so let's say we wick into here. If we can hold this as support, ultimately I'd probably target 30. Actually, I'd probably be a bit less greedy. I target 28 as a resistance, so I could see price going into here, rejection, and then whatever direction it chooses. I don't know. So I'm short-term bullish. Short-term bullish. Target 28 sats. Okay. All right. Let me catch up on the chat. You guys are typing way too fast for me. Hey, Olga. You was a bad boy, Bags. You know, Bagsy was a good boy. Yo, play some fucking music. Fuck you, Tunes. Bro, dude, that you never even sent me a playlist. This is really nice. Thanks for this. No problem. Yo, what's up, Henry? How you doing? Any chance Ren or Link ends up like Bat? Same hype, same wedge breakout. They're different projects, so it's hard to categorize them and say they're going to do the same thing TA-wise. I think the problem that Bat had was that they added KYC to their browser, so it kind of defeats the purpose. And I think that's why we're seeing that type of negative price action on Bat. However, Link and Ren, you know, they haven't gone against their ethos like Bat has, so it's hard to say. I don't think so. Hey, I'm in Dusk. What do I do? Dusk. Yeah, okay, I'll add Dusk, and after that, no more requests, because I actually have shit to do today. I gotta catch up on a whole bunch of stuff. We worked out some pretty cool deals out in Futurist that I'm kind of excited to talk about, but I can't talk about yet. But I got a lot of work to do. So this is nice. KuCoin, like last week, I said KuCoin looked good after this volume, and I said we had to hold whatever this is. Hold up, 1 second. 1 second. We got to hold 14.7 as support. So we tested that successfully, and we bounced. So I'm bullish as long as we can hold 14.7. Bullish as long as hold 14.7. Okay. Chromia bounced from the bottom. I was considering kind of re-entering like down here, but I didn't have the fucking guts. And this price is actually wrong. Yeah, this is Chromia. Okay, so I had originally set some bids down here after I sold around 800 or whatever, I forget. It's like around a bit higher. I think I targeted this I got most of my money out here, and I was thinking of rebuying because we were seeing some bullish divs on lower time frames. So this, like when I saw this on the MFI, I was like, okay, people are buying here, but I didn't have the guts to buy it. I don't like buying things when there's literally no support beneath. It just doesn't make sense. Yeah, Tunes should stream. Help you on Dusk? Yeah, here. Don't worry. You're gonna have to be patient, my child, my son. Okay, patience. They take enough heat. Yeah, I know. Yeah, are you gonna get murdered on Dusk? I don't know, Daddy. We'll talk about it. Was Raven on the list? I don't think so, bro. Y'all missed out on Raven. Next time. Yeah, Poirier. Yeah, they fucked up with the KYC shit. Morpheus Labs, MITX is low cap, but it's getting a lot of partnerships. What do you think? I truthfully don't know. I don't know. I might end up doing something with MITX. It's still unconfirmed, so I can't say. But I'm definitely going to find out more about them in the coming weeks, that's for sure. Oh, thank you, Serena, for the Spotify. I'll have to vet it first before I just put it on the stream, you know. And the link doesn't even work, yo. Serena, you give me bad links. And you actually get a lot of BAT. Yeah, also the for using the BAT platform, they give you BAT, so the inflation must be high. I don't know how much it is off the top of my head, but yeah, we're knocking down the list, 100%. And yeah, I'll keep you in the loop, no problem. As soon as I hear more from them, I'll be able to I'll be able to help y'all out. Oh, that's very nice. I love FFs. Follow Friday, even though it's Thursday. The fuck. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. Okay. So that's ERD, Chromia. Chromia, there haven't been any bearish divs yet. Horizontally speaking, I think we'll tag at the most 579 sats on this up move. I'd probably be less greedy. I'd probably get out of 549 or some shit. Because that was the former range before we broke up to the upside. So I could see us doing one more leg up. If we look on the 1 hour, oh yeah, the 1 hour is bad. Yeah, we're probably going to drop here to like 49 at least. 49 or from 47 bearish, drop to 47, 470 to 490 sats. And from there, I mean, we could either see up to 54.7 or we, that. I don't know what it's gonna do. ARC. I'm actually scared to look at ARC. I remember when I thought ARC was the future. Boy, was Bagsy wrong. All that clever marketing. Yeah, I hope you guys got the fuck out when I told you to get out. Dusk. Damn, Dusk actually hit all my targets. I didn't even get to post about that. So yeah, like, I don't know if you guys watched my stream, but I said that this shit looked like Matic all over again. Just that high volume buy up. Made a higher low. And fucking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I hope some of you guys caught that shit. Perfect test of this FTA. First trouble area up here. So right now, we're kind of in between a rock and a hard place. If we can hold 21.24 as support, so let's say we retest, hold, I think we'll probably go for this level, and if we can break through here, there is nothing stopping it from going up to like 6.3K. So yeah, that's the dusk bullish if price maintains 21.24. DApps. I actually met the DApps team in that Futurist. What do I think about Bitcoin? 8K or 12K first? Well, what are we at right now? Let's see. We're at 10.3, right? I'd say 12K. Just the odds are better. Alright, daps. Japs. I don't know, man. Like, it's hard for me to be bullish on a coin that like looks like this. You know, it's just there's not much history. I don't know what they're up to. I like that it made a higher low, right? That's cool. If we can hold 300 or 3 sats, whatever the denomination is, then we could probably see some higher prices. Would I tell someone to buy it? No, not really. That's just me. You know. Thanks, Serena. Yo, what's up, Just Too Bueno? Welcome back, my friend. Which is interesting. ICX. Yeah, I'm not doing any more. I'm not adding any more coins to this list. It's already fucking long enough. Meh. I'll put a meh for DApps because I don't fucking know. OLT. Cryptocurrency. OLT. One ledger. Interesting. Yeah, so straight into horizontal. Former horizontal support turn resistance. I would be selling right now. I'd be selling, and I want to see if price could get above 77 or 7,700 sats or whatever that is on a weekly close. If you could do that, then we're in business, and then I'd probably target 10,000 as the next area. But yeah, at resistance, wait, weekly close above 7,700. Cool. XRP, I'm actually very curious about this. I have not looked at XRP in a while. Wow. Okay, so that was a big sell-off. Interesting. I'm cautiously bullish. This is gonna sound stupid, but hear me out. It's possible that big money got filled on this wick, like liquidated all retail, everyone, some Joe Schmo bought here, right? And how we'll know is if price is able to make a higher low. So I would not be buying here, right? If you got filled here, great. But if I wait for price to make a higher low, or at least, you know, make some type of support and a higher low, and then I'd consider an entry. Because I like this. I like that volume. I like something happened here. And Swell Conference is coming up in November. We're still a ways off. We got September, October, November, right? So I'd be patient. However, keep an eye on Ripple. I'm telling you guys, October is going to be a pretty big month. I think. Could always be wrong, but I think. Okay. All right. Let me just retweet my own tweet so we can get more of you fine folk in here. Boom, boom, boom. Live now. Let's go. Boom, boom. We got 50 on the Twitch side. We are killing it. We are the #1 Twitch stream in the world. Yeah, let me put a little party Pepe, a little clown for you guys. Crypto. Yo, if any of you guys are white hat hackers, let me know, because I want to take down the 24/7 Forex and equity channel, Crypto Traders TV, and they're the only ones stopping us from being the #1 in the land. So if any of you guys want to help me with that, let me know. I'm just fucking around, but seriously. Yeah, so XRP, wait for high or low. Keep an eye for swell, November conference. All right, algo. Yo, what's up, cryptocurrency 2? How you doing, Hong Kong? All right, so, wow, look at this. Bagsy's got your back. Bagsy has got your back. I will always have your back. Okay, so perfect tap of horizontal resistance. If you guys watch some of my streams, this is where I told y'all to fucking take some profit, or at least recommend. Now, what I don't like is that we lost this support here. This is not good. Now, I think we'll see a bounce at 665. However, if I were bullish, I'd want to see price get back above here. Until that, we could consider this now as resistance, support turn resistance, and I would expect us to get rejected. However, if I'm wrong and price can reclaim it, then we can look at it again. So I'm bearish here. Bearish unless reclaim of like whatever 710, something like that. Stratus. All right, let's look at it here. Stratus. Startist. My dyslexia. Stratus is back to the start. Yo, that is crazy. Man, I don't even know what Strat is up to be honest. It's bad. It's bad. I'd get out. Cause and hear me out, okay? Yo, what's up, Jahan Khan? Ace and I are your new besties. Yeah, Hackerman is the G. Use all your household appliances to DDoS them. Yo, bro, I'll fucking throw my toaster at them. Yeah, so anyways, this is my thought process on Stratus, right? We are literally at the former accumulation range. However, last time we were here, it took like 2/3 of a year. So just because we're here, it doesn't mean that we're gonna get a fucking moon right away, like price and bleeding and then boom. That's not gonna happen. Best case scenario, I think, for the healthiest type of up move would be capitulation, wick, consolidation, move up. So if you're in Stratus, it's hard. You're gonna have to figure out for yourself whether you have the patience to hold through an accumulation cycle. That's if it gets accumulated. I don't know if it will. I truthfully don't know. I don't know what Stratus is up to. Don't know what they have up their sleeve. It is an old project, so you guys know my feelings about that. So it's really up to you. I mean, one thing I could say is maybe sell half a bag and keep the other half for long term. Just sell the half to BTC and try to find a better trade elsewhere. But You're gonna have to, if you held through this whole fucking thing, like I'm sure some people did, and this is not to mock anybody. I've held coins for too long myself, right? But you're gonna need to be very patient if you want to see, if you want to see reward. I don't know if this accumulate. I don't even know if this is accumulation. This is just fucking there, right? So it doesn't mean we're necessarily gonna go up. We could lose support too, you know. We don't know, but be careful. Stratus, stress. Yeah, those are my thoughts. I gotta be honest with you guys. Ocean Protocol. Fuck. Yeah, I think I made a post about getting out of Ocean. This one dude asked me what should I do here, and I told him to get out, and he got pissed at me. Well, I hope you listen, buddy, because you're wrecked at this point. So yeah, clear. SNR retest, rejection. I would get out. Get out until reclaim of as support. Cardano. Matic, I already did it, bro. Strat will moon with next Arab Spring. What do you mean Arab Spring? Some of you guys are funny. Alright. Yo, fuck off. I am bearish. Okay, first we never got to retest the first trouble area here, right? Secondly, we seem to be losing that horizontal level. Thirdly, sell pressure's kind of increasing on the 12-hour. This candle was a pretty bad sell-off. Personally, I think we're gonna retest the 400 level eventually. So I think we'll see something like that on Cardano. Get out. TRX. Unless you're bearish on Bitcoin. If you're bearish on Bitcoin, then do what you got to do. So yeah, Tron is not looking great. Tron is not looking great. I don't know why I drew these levels out like that, but I think the next bounce we'll see is what is this, 118. That's where we kind of have some type of, there was some buy up, someone bought here. The ultimate level is going to be 40 sats. Do I think we're going to see it? Probably not. And right now I'm just using the VPVR to see where people accumulated before this giant move up that we saw back in 17, where it went like 2,000%. So we lost this last high volume node here, and I told you guys to fucking be careful if we did. And yeah, I don't, nothing good. Get out. Nothing good's gonna come from this, in my opinion. And I could be wrong, and I'm wrong a lot, but that's truthfully how I feel about it. I think we already did anchor, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. Anchor looks good as long as we can. Looks good as long as hold 46 sats as support. FXC Flexcoin. FXC. Send Charles Hoskinson to jail. And Justin with him. That's funny. Watch out, Justin's son will see you. That's funny. Okay. Flexicoin. So I hope you guys made some bank with me on that one. I fucking killed that. But it's not looking. I think we'll see a bounce at 24. Heading to all-time low. Watch for volume buyback. So Do I think Flexicoin will go to zero? No, I think they have a lot of money. However, I think they're going to kill retail over here. They're going to dump it, reaccumulate, and then, do their thing. So I think we're going to see a double bottom here at the very least. Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Let us do it. Bitcoin Cash. This is on BitMEX. I don't want to do BitMEX. BCH. BCHB. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is not looking good, guys. In between a rock and a hard place. If I were to long Bitcoin Cash, I'd wait for a break above this horizontal resistance. So something like this. You could target the POC. However, the trend is bearish. Looks like it's trying to do something here. But I'm not convinced. Like, I don't trust Bitcoin Cash for the life of me. Like, I can see both a bullish and bearish point of view for it. But yeah. If I'm bearish on Cardano and Tron, I have to be bearish on Bitcoin Cash. I don't think that they're gonna like, what's that word called when two coins who have been following each other for a while do something completely different? Maybe you guys can help me with that. Oh, sorry guys. Don't mean to yawn. I'm really tired. Okay, Dero, you were dear to me. Dero's not looking great right now. We had a double top here. Got rejected. This was the level I was looking at. It was like 15.5. I was wrong on it, so unfortunately that sucks. If we don't bounce here, fuck. Next level I'd look at is like probably 75 before a bounce. So I'm bearish on Dero now. I would have been bullish if we had maintained like a double low at 88 or some shit. So until we reclaim that, I'd be careful. AGI looks good. Looks like accumulation. There you go. Yeah, two coins that are diverging from each. I guess Nah, it's not divergence. It's okay, whatever. Don't worry about it. We'll move on. So yeah, I think we'll probably see a scam pump to like 479 or like maybe higher, something like that. These are the levels I'm looking at. We just turned the POC into support, so that's chill. So I think this will be all right. Matt, never heard of this coin. Match pool? Yo, if you want me to match pool, okay, I don't think someone asked me for that. If it was match pool, get the fuck out. I'm gonna delete this because maybe they meant Matic. Alright, what the fuck did I doodle here? Yeah. Okay, so one second. I'm kind of torn. Reason why I'm torn is we have multiple bullish divs here. So price is making lower lows, indicators making higher lows. So I think we're going to see a bounce very soon. We could see one more leg down into like 35. At the worst, I'd say a double bottom here. But I think we'll soon see some upside. So this is where I'd start averaging back in, probably, but very slowly. If you're looking to accumulate, I'm not saying buy it. I don't give a fuck about Tomo, but yeah, keep an eye on Tomo. Look at this area, this former area of accumulation. That's going to be interesting. Dissociate. Thank you, William. Decoupling. Boom, Simpson. Decoupling. That is the word I'm looking for. Have I done... Yo, what's up, swag? Yeah, I did cost. I put cost. Yeah, I did it for you, bruh. I did it for you, bruh. Here, it looks good. I said take profit at 391, 444, and if it breaks to the upside, then it's going to be some all-time high action. Okay? So, Tomo, near bottom, IMO. Ait. Conceal. Interesting. Conceal, what are you doing? This is a funky chart. Excuse me, the Hebrew jeebers. Truth. It's tough. It's tough. I'd probably set a stop loss beneath that wick if I'm bullish, and maybe like take profit at like 55. I don't know. I'm kind of torn. This pump was very inorganic. I don't know why I did that. Honestly, I'm probably bearish. I'd set a stop loss in case I'm wrong, but I think we could like maybe bounce up to here, but I think we'll keep, kind of like here. Downtrend. Same idea. Bearish. BSV. You see, and that's another example where the POC came in handy. Perfect. Yeah, I'm about to collect some more fucking cloud points, ladies and gentlemen. BSV from me. Okay, 1 second. Sorry guys, I can't do this. Whatever. 25%. Okay, 1 second. This is on the weekly. All right. Boom. Done. 1 second, guys. Sorry about this. Save. BSV updates. Perfect tap of POC plus projection. Hope you guys took profit at that level. Good enough. Plus 25% downside. Following target. Boom. All right. I love you too, fag doggers. Data. No problem. You fuck demons. That's fun. I hope you wear a condom when you fuck demons. You never know where these demons have been. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let me click on my own stream. Boom. Okay. We're almost done with this list. So, BSV basically, I'd get out. That's me. Unless, like, the only thing is if it could hold this as some support, that'd be all right. But to be honest, there's still a lot of sell pressure. I'd get out. I wouldn't mess with that. Energy. I got energy. Got a lot of energy. This is a strange one. It, like... It's tough. It's tough. I'd get out, to be honest. Get out. Looks toppy. I say it looks toppy because we have our first higher low here. So I think at best we'll see a pullback to this trend line at like 550k sats or whatever. Watch for trend line retest. I think that'd make a good buyback. However, I definitely sell. Wow. Interoperability, huh? Shit. Get out. Get out. And dusk, last but not least. I think we already did dusk. Did we? I think I did. I think dusk was the first one I did. I just didn't write it down. But yeah, so if we can hold 21, 24, then retest of 2.6k, then moon. Okay, so here, if you guys want to take a screenshot, whatever, this is the list. This is what I think. Short term bullish. Boom. That's everything. Do you guys have any questions, comments, theories, anything you want to talk about, share? Bagsy, how do we know when something is about to take off? Volume. Volume. Like dusk is a good example. Look at this. Look at that. Then a lot of people sold because they're like, oh, this is just a little pump. But dude, like this volume was insane. That's why I told you guys, it's gonna pull a fucking Matic. Nika said the same thing. G-Maker, same fucking thing. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Boom, took off. Easy peasy. What do I think of EVX and BNT? Well, I'm not doing any more charts for the moment. Yeah. Probably shit coins, to be honest. Litecoin shitting the bed. That sucks. Already done dusk, mate. Yeah, I know. Boom. Thanks. PHB. Nah, I'm done. Yeah, what's up, Hazel? I'm actually about to head off. I have a business call in a minute with my mama. Just fucking around. But yeah, it's been good, everyone. So when should I stream next? I gotta make my schedule today. Actually, I might do something for you guys on tomorrow or Saturday. I'll make a post about it later. You guys will get to see that. Your mom's an amazing woman. I do not doubt that. I do not doubt that. Which alt am I bullish? Most bullish on short term? Probably COS or dusk. But be careful. They're already overextended, so it's honestly, you're probably better off just fucking holding BTC and, being patient. If you watch my streams, I'll let you know when there's a fucking opportunity. You're welcome, cryptocurrency. My pleasure. No problem, Mick Crypto. Yeah, I got you guys. If you guys want to help me out, just hit that follow button. If you guys want to see my services, anything, you just look at the video and you scroll down. Feel free to use my ref links if ever. But honestly, just you guys watching is more than enough support. So I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. And I will look to upgrade a mask. They don't come cheap, so I'm probably gonna put down some time to accumulate, find a sick design. Some people gave me some inspiration at Futurist Conference for some different ideas on what I could do mask-wise. So maybe you guys will see something cool. And I also have some sick LED lights coming in from China. So that's going to take like 10 years to get here. But eventually we'll be blinged out. And yeah, appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Peace. Stay safe. And catch you later.